Welcome to homework.
So this is the knight's legal moves on a 4x4 chessboard, and we want to know if a Hamilton path exists. Um, and we end up seeing that it will not exist. So we can say start here. We only have one of two choices, so I'll choose E, and then we'll take that to G, and then H, or in this case, actually F. And what we end up seeing is we have a couple options. We can go now to D, back to our start, but then it wouldn't be Hamilton path. So we can go to J or I. So we'll try to go to I. And then from here, we see that the only way to get back to D would be to revisit F. So our option is either to go to D right away, in which case we don't have a Hamilton path, or we go to I. But if we do this, then the only way to get back to D would be through this F. And then similarly, if we go to J, the only way to get back to D would be to go through F. So regardless, we don't have a Hamilton path there. And then something else we can look at would be, so that's one possible thing, but we show that it can't be true. Another thing we could try would be starting, say, here, but we see that this will end up causing the same issue because in order to get back to K eventually, we're going to have to take these other options. So we know that this graph is symmetrical. So if it's not going to work for D, it's not going to work for any of the other ones. It has to be able to work for all of the vertices for the Hamilton path to exist. So we know that it will not exist.